Calphalon understands your frustration when a pot boils over and makes a mess of your kitchen. Which is why we've developed Calphalon Classic No Boilover Cookware. Our innovative no boilover inserts prevent messy boilover spills by redirecting boilovers. Each insert is made from a durable BPA-free silicone that perfectly forms to the shape of the pot and is dishwasher safe. Calphalon Classic Cookware features an easy-to-clean, long-lasting, non-stick interior and comfortable stay-cool metal handles. Take control of your kitchen with Calphalon Classic No Boilover Cookware.
Introducing the Virtuoso Plus, a refined improvement of the classic and beloved Virtuoso. Grind cafe-quality coffee with hardened steel conical burrs that can be adjusted to 40 different grind settings. The Virtuoso Plus features twin LED lights which shine onto dispensed ground coffee so you can see for yourself how quick and easy it is to grind fresh coffee. The hopper holds 8 ounces of whole bean coffee, and the ground's catch bin has a max fill line to prevent overfilling. While the classic Virtuoso used an analog timer, the Virtuoso Plus is controlled digitally. The timer can be programmed to 1/10 of a second for exact results every time. Turn left to subtract by 1/10 of a second, turn right to add by full seconds. The Virtuoso Plus provides precision dosing for repeatable and consistent results.